Hey bitch, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm creating this purple orange look. It reminds me alien vibes, galaxy vibes, and this look was inspired by my friend. He gave me the color idea. He did an orange purple combo. His Instagram is down below. His name is Eric. He's an amazing artist. Check him out. It's just so bomb. Like, I'm completely in love with it. I'm obsessed with it. I just feel like a boss ass bitch. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with priming my eyes. I'm going to be using the Peel Off Base in shade 2. I'm going to be going in with the Vivid Pigments and Shadows by Colored Ring. I'm going to be going in with this purple shade. Just going to pack and then blend softly. Pack the color and then blend. And you really want to go in soft motions. You don't want to like stab the fucking brush in your eye. And then I'm also going to wing it out just a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit to have just like that effect. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Okay, so the last color that I'm gonna add is this orange color right here. It's like a neon orange, and I'm also always gonna go in circular motions because I feel like when you go in circular motions, that blend just comes out a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this orange. It's like a brighter orange, but I'm just going to pack this on top. These bitches don't like me. Their baby daddy keep me icy. Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm going to go in with the Peel Off Base in shade 1. This is just like a lighter shade, and I like to use lighter shades for cutting my creases because the colors come out more pigmented. Okay, so I finished cutting my crease. It looks insane because my eyelids are just so huge, and so I just have a lot of space, and for me it looks crazy because I'm not used to this, but you know what, it's gonna look bomb anyway, so who cares. So next I'm gonna go in with these neon pigments. I got them from this company. It's like an indie company. I'll list them down below, but I fucking love these pigments. I'm so excited to use them. And I'm just going to go in with the black from the James Charles palette. Okay, so for liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is my favorite liner of all time. So for mascara, I'm going to go in with the San Marcel. So for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Tati lashes in the number TL36. Okay, so I finished putting on my lashes, and bitch, look at this shit. It looks bomb as fuck. I'm so excited with how the finished product is gonna come out. Eyes are completely done. I'm so happy with how it came out. Like, bitch, wow, that's so fucking pretty. I'm in love. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Primer. I love this primer. I feel like it literally made my makeup last, I think, 16 hours the other day. It was a Friday, and I did my makeup at 7 a.m. till like, I think I wore it till like 1 a.m. And my friend said my makeup still looked good. It was like already 11. I was like, wow, I can't believe it still looks good, you know? Okay, so the second primer that I will be using is by Dr. Brandt. It's the Luminizer Primer. I love mixing this with the Huda Beauty Primer because I feel like it does help my skin look glowy. I don't know, I really like it though. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. This foundation is a little bit darker than me, but it's okay. I like using it anyways because I never buy the right foundation color. Do you guys have the same problem? Like, I never buy the correct one. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C7, and then I'm gonna go in on top with a lighter shade.
My night runs into morning all the time.
Okay, so just to add a little lighter highlight to my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Vitalist concealer, just on the very corners. Okay, so now for the fun part, I'm gonna be setting my concealer. Bitch, I'm already loving how this looks. Like, I already look like a different bitch. Now I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. I got this in my BoxyCharm and I'm in love with it. Like, this setting powder is just so fucking bomb. Okay, so next I'm just gonna dust off the baking powder. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with some contour, and I'm gonna be using the powder contour kit by Anastasia, and I'm gonna be using these two shades. I'm just gonna mix them together. Cause I be going through a lot of situations. I'ma keep it real with you, girl. I'm infatuated. Okay, it's coming together slowly. I'm in love with how this is going. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna be using the Bahamas blush palette. This is my favorite palette for sure for blush, because these are so fucking pigmented, literally. And I'm gonna be grabbing these two shades. I'm just gonna softly mix them together. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with setting spray. Bitch, I'm really loving so much how this is coming out. Like, wow, like, is this really coming out this good? Like, wow, I'm so impressed with myself. I did a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with setting spray, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe setting spray. I honestly love this shit. I feel like most setting sprays like throw like chunks at you, like chunks of liquid at you, and this one is just like, it's spread out evenly, if that makes sense. It's just so nice. And I don't flinch. Every time I use other ones, I fucking flinch. Okay, so before I add on any powder highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX glitter drops. This is just gonna enhance the highlighter that I'm gonna be putting on. So for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Glow Powders in So Hollywood. This shit is so fucking amazing. Like, it's so blinding. Okay, so recently I've been obsessed with a rosy lip, so I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss, but it's in a high pigmented shade, so it isn't like glittery. It's just just one shade, if that makes sense. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this Box of Vava Plump Lip Shine. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. Okay, so this is the finished look right here. I'm so happy with how it came out. Like, wow, did I really just pull this off? I didn't think it would come out like this, but I'm just really happy it did. Like, everything just came together. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. If you have any crazy color combos, any crazy neon color combos, leave them down below. I would love for you guys to let me know. I would love to create those looks. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.